This is Marty from Photoshop Art House. Today, I'll show you how to quickly transform photos into the look of steel engravings. Open a photo you'd like to use for this project. To ensure your result looks similar to mine, check your photo's size and resolution. Press Ctrl-Alt-I on Windows or Command-Option-I on a Mac, or go to Image and Image Size. Set the resolution to 150 pixels per inch and make sure the width or height is at least 1000 pixels. First, remove all the color by clicking the adjustment layer icon and choosing black and white. Next, adjust the tones by opening the adjustment layer again and choosing levels. Keep in mind that every photo has its own brightness and contrast, so the input black and white level values will vary. I'll drag the input black to the right a bit to increase the density of the darkest tones, and drag the input white level to the left a bit to brighten the lightest tones. We could always adjust the levels later if needed. Next, we'll add the filters that will make our photo look like a steel engraving. Click the New Layer icon to make a new layer. We'll fill the layer with 50% gray. Press Shift plus the F5 key at the top of your keyboard, or go to Edit and Fill. Choose 50% gray. We'll convert it into a smart object so we can modify the settings of each filter if we need to. Right-click the layer and click Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and Filter Gallery. Open the Sketch folder and click Halftone Pattern. The size is 2, the contrast is 0, and the pattern type is dot. At the lower right corner, click the plus icon to duplicate the filter. We'll replace it with torn edges. The image balance is 25, the smoothness is 15, and the contrast is 15. Change the blend mode to hard mix and reduce the fill to 70%. Fill behaves differently than opacity when certain blending modes are used, such as hard mix. Go to Filter, Distort, and Twirl. Make the angle 50 degrees. This is Marty from Photoshop Art House. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.